Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Spring Fling by Hank and Henry, and those are the shades. If you are new to my channel, my reviews consist of me trying to put every eyeshadow on my eyes just to get a feel of how I feel about the formula for the shades, and that is pretty much it. So I'm going to go swatch these and I will be right back. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. And I'm not really sure how I'm going to make this work yet, but I'm going to make it work. So the very first color I am going to go in with is going to be Sandy Beach, I guess. I don't know. But it's going to be that color. Okay, so now I am going to go in with Birds and Bees. Okay, so I didn't really think through my application on this very well. Oh well. So now I'm going to go in with Spring Fling. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this color right here. Yeah, I think that's what I'm doing. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with Daisy Dukes right there. Okay, so now we are going to go in Popsicle. Okay, so I think I lost a little bit of the pink, so I'm going to add a little bit more pink, and I'm going to go back in with these two colors mixed and kind of blend it in a little bit more because I want those colors to stand out a little bit more. I lied. I think I'm going to leave it like that. So, I think now I am going to go in with, I'm going to go in with these two blue colors under the eyes. Okay, so now I think I'm going to use this last color right here in the inner corners of the eyes and probably under the brows as well. Okay, so shadow is on. We are going to line the bottom part of the eyelids with this ColourPop color here. I wore off the name, so I don't really know what it is. And then I'm going to line, I'm going to line the top one with Private Society. Alright, for mascara we are doing ColourPop for the bottom lashes, Lover's Coral, and then for the top we are doing Benefit Bad Gal Bang. lip color, we are going to go in with Hank and Henry as well, because yeah, I'm just gonna go in with it. Let's talk about the palette. I don't know if there's very much to say, because like the colors are pretty, no fallout. Do you see any mess there? No. Why? No fallout. Swatched really well, looks really pretty. I think it looks really pretty on. I have no complaints. So there you go. Another great palette from Hank and Henry. If you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.